Hello everyone. If you're someone who is dreaming of becoming an IAS, IPS or IFS officer or మీ పిల్లలు IAS or IPS అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారా, then this video is just for you. In this video, we are going to talk about various aspects related to the UPSC Civil Service Examination like the pattern, eligibility, etc. So stick around with me till the end, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Welcome to Amigos IAS, your one-stop destination for UPSC Civil Service Examination. So, the first question is obvious. What is UPSC Civil Service Examination? See, this UPSC Civil Service Examination is one of the toughest and the most prestigious examinations in India. Through this examination, the officers are selected for some of the highest ranks of the government, like the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Forest Service, and 20 other services. So, this is not just an exam. This is a journey which tests your knowledge, commitment, and patience to crack this prestigious UPSC examination. So, the first question, what is UPSC Civil Service Examination? See, this UPSC Civil Service Examination is one of the toughest and the most prestigious exams in the country. Through this examination, highest ranking officers of the government like the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service, and 20 other central services are selected through this examination. So, this is not just any examination. It is a test of your knowledge, patience, and commitment to serve the nation. Now, through this examination, or under this examination, there are various level of posts. We have both Group A and Group B posts. So, under Group A itself, we have Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Postal Service, etc. And even we have some of the other services in the Group B level also. So, for all the services, this single UPSC Civil Service Examination is conducted and the candidates are selected through this examination. Now, moving on to talk about the pattern of this examination, there are mainly three stages. There are mainly three stages in this examination. The first stage is the preliminary stage, which is of the objective type, and the second stage is the main stage, which is of the descriptive type, and the third stage is the personality test. So, in the first stage, we are going to have two papers. Paper 1, which consists of general studies questions, and paper 2, which consists of CSAT questions, right? So, in this general studies paper 1, we have many subjects like geography, economy, polity, etc. And it is of 200 marks with 100 questions. So, each question carries 2 marks. Then in the second paper, we have 80 questions of maths, reasoning and comprehension. But this paper is just qualifying in nature. It means you need to just get 33% of the marks of the paper. So, this preliminary paper is just qualifying in nature. So, whoever qualifies in this first stage will go to the second stage, which is the main stage. So, in the mains examination, we totally have 9 papers. The first paper is going to be essay, and other than that, we have 4 general studies papers, and then we have 2 optional papers which has to be chosen from a list of optional subjects, and then we have 2 language papers which are just qualifying in nature. So, this mains examination altogether is of 1750 marks. This mains examination altogether is of 1750 marks. And whoever qualifies in this mains examination will go to the interview stage. So, this personality test, whichever is there, it is of 275 marks of total. And the final merit list of the UPSC Civil Service Examination is made by combining both the main stage marks and also the personality stage marks. If you have to look at the syllabus overview, as I said in the preliminary paper 1, we have general studies subjects like geography, polity, economy. So, in the preliminary paper 1, we have general studies subjects like the current affairs, geography, history, polity, economy, environment and science and technology. Then, in the mains paper, as I said, we have 1 essay paper and 4 GS papers, and at last we have 2 optional papers. So, optional, whichever subject you are choosing, the syllabus is defined as per the subject. But in the general studies paper 1, you are going to have history, society and geography. In the paper 2, you are going to have polity, governance and international relations. In the paper 3, you are going to have economy, environment, science and technology, internal security and disaster management. And in the paper 4, we have ethics, integrity and aptitude. Moving on to talk about the eligibility and the number of attempts. So, any Indian citizen is eligible for the services of Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service and Indian Foreign Service. And rest all services, even the Nepalis, Bhutanese and some other specified sectors are eligible for other services. And with respect to the educational qualification, you just need to have a bachelor's degree with pass percentage from any recognized university in the country. Now moving on to talk about the age limit for this particular exam. For the general category, the age limit is from 21 years to 32 years and the general category students are going to get 6 attempts. Whereas the other backward class, which is nothing but the OBC, the age limit is 21 years to 35 years and the number of attempts they are going to get are 9. Then we have the SC and the ST category where the person can write the examination from 21 years to 37 years and the number of attempts provided for this category are unlimited. And lastly, we have the physically disabled category where the person can write from 21 to 42 years of age and the number of attempts for the general and the OBC category are 9, whereas for the SC and ST are unlimited. So this is all you need to know about the UPSC Civil Service Examination. We'll be coming up with more and more videos for beginners who want to learn or who want to know more about such UPSC Civil Service Examination. If you have any questions with respect to the pattern, eligibility and etc., you can please drop your questions in the comments and we'll definitely reply to you. We'll be back again with another video in this beginner series. Thank you.